I am often asked what happens at my 2-day school that I host here once a month in Houston, Texas. The 2-day school focuses on proper cleaning techniques and the equipment needed for cleaning a residential roof, house, and driveway. We spend one of the days using the equipment that we use and show you how to properly apply your cleaning solutions to a residential home by using a pressure washer or a dedicated pump, which many will refer to as soft washing. One thing I like to do is teach you how to properly soft wash using a pressure washer, which really is the original soft wash method. Allowing you to actually see and use the equipment needed gives you a greater feel and experience for using the equipment that you'll need once you return home and start your process of ordering equipment and beginning your new business. Other things that I like to focus on in a classroom setting are proper chemical mixtures and ratios, plant and property protection, estimating jobs, setup procedures on a job site, sales techniques, driveway and pool deck cleaning, downstreaming and X-jetting, oxidation, how do you identify it, and also how do you clean it. We'll also go over roof spraying techniques, house washing, and much, much more. I want you to know that once you attend my school here in Houston, I consider you one of my students, and you'll always have access to me after the school. You can contact me via text, email, or phone call. Anything that you need help on in your business, whether it be bidding a job, how to remove a stain, anything you need, I'm just a call or text away. Remember, just because the school ends, the education doesn't. I am here to help you be successful in your new business.